Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ibrahim over here from Teaching by SM channel, and today we'll be discussing IGCSE Mathematics 0580 Paper 4. As you all know, one intention of making these videos is that for the first 6 months, whatever revenue will be generated, it will be donated to the Palestinian people. So I would request all the viewers to kindly support our cause. Jazakallahu khairan. Starting from question number 57, we have simplify, right? We have cube on the whole bracket, so we can first put it on every term, right? And 3 cube is 27, x 2 into 3, power into power, powers are multiplied, and y 4 into 3 is 12. Part 2, we have a negative power, a negative exponent on the bracket, so to make it positive we reciprocate it, so that is denominator comes into numerator, right? Okay, now put this power on individual every term. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s is 16, right? So x 8 into 3, x into 20, x 24. Similarly, we have y power 8, so that will be cancelled by power 2, so you will be getting 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, so y 12, and the denominator we have 16, right? 16 means that we have to first think of a number which when multiplied by its own we get 16, so that is 4, right? 4 square, so square gets cancelled with this. 4 power cube will be equal to 64, so x power 24 y power 12 upon 64, right? B part 1, x square minus 9, we can see that x is square is perfect square of x and 9 is perfect square of 3, so it will be x power square minus 3 power square as well, so that will be difference of 2 squares, so x plus 3 and x minus 3. Part 2, we have x square minus 9 on top, as we simplified it here, so we do the same over here, and in the denominator we have 4 terms, so we have to think of the combination of 2 terms which will make the brackets same. So if I notice this term and this term, that is 2xy plus 5x, having x common, and 2x plus 5 will be inside the bracket, and minus 6y minus 15, so that will make the bracket same. Let us see how. X plus 3, x minus 3, x common means 2y plus 5, minus 3 common means 2y plus 5, right? So this implies x plus 3, x minus 3, 2y plus 5, x minus 3. So this cancels, we get x plus 3 upon 2y plus 5. Part C, solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. From the first equation, we can take y as subject, y equals 7 minus 2x. Put it in the second equation, in place of y 7 minus 2x is equals to 5x square plus 2x minus 13. Making these 2 terms over here, that is 5x square plus 2x minus 2x comes over there, 2x minus 13 minus 7. So 5x square plus 4x minus 20 is equals to 0. Now applying the quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b minus 4 plus minus b square means 4 square, as 4 is 5 and c is minus 20 upon 2 power 2a means 5. So this will be minus 4 plus minus 4 square is 16, 16 into 16 minus 4 into 5 into 20 minus 20, that would be 4 into 5 20, 20 to 20 is 400, and 4 square is 16, so it means 416. In total in calculator we are getting 416, right? And divided by 2 5s is 10, right? So we are getting 2 answers for x. One will be x is equals to minus 4 plus root 416 upon 10. Other will be x is equals to minus 4 minus root 416 upon 10. Minus 4 plus root 416 divided by 10. We are getting 1.64 for correct to 2 decimal places. And minus 4 minus root 416 divided by 10. We are getting minus 2.44. So x2 values 1.64 and minus 2.44. Now getting the values of y. So y is equals to 7 minus 2. X first value is 1.64. So 7 minus 2 into 1.64. Putting the value in calculator, we are getting 3.72. Now putting the second value, 7 minus 2 minus 2.44, and we are getting 11.88. So 3.72, 11.88. Question number 58. A shop sells shirts for $X and jackets for X plus $27. Also, a shop sells 4 shirts, 3 jackets for a total of $194.75. Write down, solve an equation to find the cost of one shirt. 4 shirts into X, total price of shirts. 3 jackets, X plus 27, total price of jackets. The sum is 194.75. Now 4x plus 3x plus 27, 3 is 81, right? Now solving it for x, 4x plus 3x is 7x. 194.75 minus 81, 81 goes over there, plus becomes minus. So 194.75 minus 81, we are getting 113.75. So 7x is equals to 113.75 divided by 7, we are getting 16.25. So x is equals to, part B, x square plus 4y is 37, 5x plus y is equals to minus 8. Solve the simultaneous equations. It means getting the value of x and y. So from the second equation we can get minus 8 minus 5x. I am making it as y as subject and putting the value of y over here. In the first equation, x square plus 4 minus 8 minus 5x is equals to 37. So x square minus 4 is 32 minus 20x is equals to 37. X square minus 20x minus 32 and 37 I came shifting over here. Minus 37 is equals to 0. So this implies that x square minus 20x, 32 minus 37 minus plus, so minus 69. Applying the quadratic formula over here, x is equals to minus b is minus 20 plus minus b square is minus 20 square minus 4a is 1 and c is minus 69 upon 2a. So x is equals to plus 20 plus minus 20 square is 400 plus 4 into 69. 4 into 69 is 276 upon 2. So two answers, x is equals to 20 plus root 676 upon 2. Second answer is x is equals to 20 minus root 676 upon 2. Putting the values to 20 plus root 676 divided by 2, 23. 1 is 23. And 20 minus root 676 divided by 2, we are getting minus 3. Putting the two values to get the values of y, minus 8 minus 5, and first is 23, so I am putting 23. So 5 into 23 is 115, minus 8 minus 115. So 115 plus 8 is 123, minus 123. Sign of the minus sign will come because both are minus sign. Second value is minus 3. So minus 8 plus 5 3 is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So minus 123 on 23 and minus 3 7. I hope you guys understood. Okay, question number part C. A solid cylinder has radius x and height 6x. The sphere of radius r has the same surface area as the total surface area of the cylinder. Show that r square is equal to 7 upon 2x square. Okay, we have surface area of a sphere with radius r is 4 pi square. The surface area of a sphere of radius r is same as total surface area of the cylinder. So total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, which is equals to 4 pi r square. Right, now here it has mentioned over here that the radius is x for cylinder and height is 6x. So radius is x for cylinder and for height is 6x. Radius is x is equals to 4 pi r square. Now simplifying it, 2 pi x square plus 2 6 are 12 pi x square is equals to 4 pi r square. So 2 plus 12 is 14 pi x square is equals to 4 pi r square. 14 pi x square upon 4 pi, because I need to find the value of r square, right, in terms of r square. So I shifted 4 pi over here. So pi cancels. 7 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 7 upon 2 x square is equals to r square, which was desired answer. Clear? Okay, starting with question number 59. We have equation s is equals to half AD square, right? And we have to find the value of s when a is equals to 9.8 and t is equals to 20, right? So s is equals to half, a is equals to 9.8 and t is equals to 20 the whole square. So 2 was a 2, it's 4.9, and now putting the value in calculator, 4.9 into 20 square is 1960. Part A. Okay, part B, find solve. You have to solve the equation. 5 into 4y is 20y, minus 5 into 3 is 15, is equals to 15. 15 minus 15 goes over there, will be plus 15, so 20y is equals to 15 plus 15 is 30. Y is equals to 30 upon 20, so it is 3 upon 2. 0 0 cancels, 3 upon 2. Expand and simplify. 3 into 5x is 15x, 3 into 8 is 24, minus 2 into 3x is 6x, plus 2 7s are 14. So 15x minus sin x is 9x, minus 24 plus 14 is minus 10. Clear? So that was about question number 58, 59 part C. Right, now we are moving towards 59 part D. Okay, rearrange a is equal to b square minus 3c cube to make c the subject. So minus 3c cube goes over there. 3c cube is equals to 2b square minus a. Now c cube is equals to 2b square minus a upon 3. Taking cube root so that this 3 in power can be eliminated to make the c subject. So the answer is cube root of 2b square minus a upon 3. Okay, part E is factorized completely. We have to look for the terms which can be taken common, which when we combine together so that brackets can be same. CP 6pq minus 4q. If I take q common from here, I'll be getting 6p minus 4. Or 2q common, so yes, it is working. If I take 2q common from these two terms, I'm getting 3p minus 2. If I take minus 1 common, so 3p minus 2. So 3p minus 2 and 2q minus 1. right? Question number 16. A shop, the cost of a fiction book is X dollars and the cost of a reference book is X plus $2. The cost of 11 fiction books is the same as the cost of 10 reference books. So 11 fiction books cost 11x is equals to 10 reference books cost X plus 2. Find the value of x. So 11x is equals to 10x plus 20. 11x minus 10x is equals to 20. So which implies that x is equals to 20. In another shop, the cost of fiction book is y dollars and the cost of a reference book is y plus $2. Okay. Maria spends $95 on fiction books and $147 on reference books. She buys a total of 12 books. Number of books is given. So if I want to take out how many fiction books Maria bought, right? How many fiction books Maria bought? So that is very simple. You just divide the total cost by the cost of fiction book, right? So 95 upon y, and the total she bought is total 12 books, right? Plus 147 upon y plus 2 is equals to 12. Now taking LCM, y plus 2, so that will be y cancels, 95 into y plus 2, y plus 2 cancels, 147y. Okay, so 95y plus 95 into 2 is 190 plus 147y is equals to 12y plus 2. That is 95y plus 147y, right? 95 plus 147 is 242y plus 190 is equals to 12y square plus 2 into 12 is 24y, right? Now 12y square plus 24y minus 242y minus 190 is equals to 0, which implies that 24 minus 242 is 218 minus 218y minus 190 is equals to 0. Now to simplify this, we have to find this, show that this 6y square minus 109y minus 95. So in order to get 6 in place of 12y square, I just need to divide by 2. So 12y square divided by 2 is 6y square. 218 divided by 2 is 109y. 190 divided by 2 is 95. This is the expression which was required to be shown. Clear? Okay. 6y square minus 109y minus 95. We have factorize. Okay, now we have to look for factors of 95 into 6 as 570. We have to look for factors of 570 which combine to give middle term minus 109. So 570 divided by, we take 12, no, 13, no, 570, 38, 15, no, 570 divided by 2, divided by 3, divided by 4, divided by 5, 114. Oh, okay. So it is making combination by dividing by 5. I am getting two factors, 114 and 5. Right? And if I add them up, I'll be getting 114 into 5 is 570. And if I'm adding, I'm getting minus 114 minus 5. I'm getting minus 19. No, 1 is 114 plus 5. So that is the combination which I will getting 109. Okay. So these are the two factors, 6y square minus 114y plus 5y minus 95. So can 6 be taken as common over here? Yes. So 6y is taken as common, right? So that is y minus 19y. Here 5 is common, y minus 19. Sorry, here y will not be common, because we have taken y common over here, right? So two brackets same, y minus 19, 6y plus 5. Find the value of y. So if we equate this to 0, that is y minus 19 and 6y plus 5. If we equate these two values to 0, we can get the value, right? So y minus 19 is equals to 0 means y is equals to 19. There can be another value, but that cannot be negative. That's why we neglected this value, because this will give me a negative answer, and there cannot be negative y. Clear? Question number 61, we have expand and simplify. 4 into 2x is 8x, 4 into 1 is 4, minus 6 into 3 is 18, plus 6 into x is 6x. So 8x plus 6x is 14x, minus 18 minus 4 is minus 22. Part B, factorize completely. We have two terms. We can see that 3 is common and x is common, y is common in both terms. So 3 into 2, x square, x is common, x, y is neglected, plus 3 is a 9 and x, y both common, so that's the answer. 3xy, 2x plus 3. Okay, here in the second part we have 4x square minus y square plus 8x plus 4y. So which combination should be made so that we can get a answer? If I combine this with this, all will be of x part, there will be no common bracket. If I combine this with this, so 4x square minus y square plus 8x plus 4y, right? So we have to look for common brackets over here, right? In the first part, what I can do is I can apply difference of squares in this part. So that will be 2x plus y, 2x minus y, right? And in the next two terms, what I can do is I can see that 4 is common, so 2x plus y. So you see in this expression, these are two terms are common, so 2x plus y I took common. Remaining part is 2x minus y plus 4. That's the answer. Clear? Part C, Antonio travels 100 kilometers at an average speed of x kilometers per hour. He then travels a further 150 kilometers at an average speed of x plus 10 kilometers per hour. The time taken for the whole journey is 4 hours 20 minutes. Show that this. So time is equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 100, speed is x for the first, and then second time is 150 upon x plus 10. And for the whole journey is 100 upon x plus 150 upon x plus 10. That is 4 hours 20 minutes. I need to convert it into 20 minutes to hours. So 20 divided by 60. 20 divided by 60 is 0.33. So 4.33. 4 plus 0.33 is 4.33 hours, right? Okay, now solving this up, x plus 10 equals to 4.33. X gets cancelled with x. 100 into x plus 10 plus 150 into x, so that is 100x plus 1000 plus 150x is equals to 4.33x into x plus 10, right? I am erasing this so that we can get the space to solve the question further. So 100x plus 150x is 250x plus 1000 is equals to 4.33x squared plus 43.3x, right? Now moving the terms, Okay, so 4.33x square plus 43.3x minus 250x, because 250x goes over there, minus 1000, so 0. So it will be 4.33x square, 43.3 minus 250, we get 206.7 minus 1000 equals 0. Now in place of 1000 I'm getting 3000, right? In place of 1000 I have here 3000. In place of 266.7 I have 620, and in place of 4.33x square I have 13x square. So to make 3000 I'll multiply by 3, right? So I'm multiplying the whole by 3. So 4.33 by 3 is 13, right? 206.7 by 3 is 620x, and 1000 into 3 is 3000. That was required to be proved, and that's proven. Clear? Solve to find the speed Antonio travels for the first 100 kilometers of the journey. Okay, now, so we have 13x square minus 620x minus 3000 is equals to 0. Applying the formula, x is equals to minus b, that is minus 620, quadratic formula. B square, that is minus 620 square, minus 4a is 13, and c is minus 3000 upon 2a, 2a is 13, right? That will be 620 plus minus, we have 620 square, that will be 384400, 384400, minus minus is plus, 4 into 13 into 3000, 156,000 upon 13 2s is 13 2s is 26, right? So getting two answers. X is equals to, first is 620 plus root 384400 plus 156,000, 540400, 540400 upon 26, and other one will be 620 minus 540400 upon 26. So 620 plus root 540400 divided by 26, we are getting 52.11, and since it was correct to one decimal place, so it will be 52.1, and in the other part we have 620 minus root 540400, so we are getting from here 620 minus 540400 divided by 26, we are getting minus 4.4, which cannot be taken, it's negative, so we are taking 52.1. The question was to find the speed for the first 100 kilometers, find the speed individuals for the first 100 kilometers. So that is x basically, right? And which we have found, that is 52.1 kilometers per hour, right? Question number 62, we have a quadratic curve in which we have points A, C and B, which are x-intercepts and y-intercept. Diagram shows a sketch of this. Find the coordinates of points A, B and C. It's very simple. So you just need to know that when there's an x-intercept, to find out that we should plug in y is equal to 0. So I'm putting y is equal to 0. That will be minus 2x square plus 5x plus 18 is equal to 0. So if I move all three terms over there, it will be 2x square minus 5x minus 18 is equal to 0. Solving it by middle term breaking, 18 to the 36, and 36 is a combination of 9 and 4 will work. Middle term can be 5 can be obtained. So 2x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 18 is equals to 0. So 2x common, no, 2 is not common, x is common, so 2x minus 9, and here 2 common, so 2x minus 9. So 2x minus 9 and x plus 2, so it means that x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 9 upon 2. So two coordinates, that is a point is minus 2 0, c point is 9 upon 2 0. Now to find the point b, we have to keep x is equals to 0, right? So y is equals to 18 plus 5, x is 0, minus 2, x is 0. So y is equals to 18 because both terms are 0. So x is 0 and y is 18. Clear? Part B, differentiate. So if I differentiate 18 differential is 0. 5x differential will be 1 multiplied by 5 and 1 subtracted. So x1 minus 1 is 0. So 5 x1 minus 1 is 0 minus 2 to the 4 power multiplied with the coefficient, and x2 minus 1 is 1. So it means that 5x0 is 1 minus 4x. Clear? Find the coordinates of the point on the curve when the gradient is 17. Basically, gradient is differential as well. We have found the differential over here. So 5 minus 4x and gradient, which is 17. dy upon dx is equals to gradient, which we found. So dy upon dx is 5 minus 4x, which is equals to gradient, that is 17. So minus 4x is equals to 17 minus 5 minus 4x is equals to 12, x is equals to minus 12 upon 4 minus 3. So x, value of x is minus 3. Now put this minus 3 in the equation. Y is equals to 18 plus 5x minus 2x square. X is equals to minus 3. So 18 plus 5 plus 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 the whole square. That will be 18 minus 15. Okay, minus 3 square is 9 and minus 2 9s are 18. This minus gets positive, but the minus 2 is minus 18. So 18 minus 18 cancels, minus 15 is the coordinate of y. Minus 3 minus 15. I hope that's clear. So, Jazakallahu khaira. That was all about algebra. We'll be looking for other videos. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.